All right, it's a pleasant afternoon to everybody. Yeah, today, wherever you are, I believe it's been a very wonderful day. And then if you have seen the market, you have checked through the charts, you will have seen some heavy moves so far. So this is 3 o'clock. I will just wait for 2 minutes, and then so that we can get started. I believe the market is still going to make many all of us smile here today. All right. So I believe all of us will still smile well today. So it's a beautiful afternoon. So let's just wait for some 2, 3 minutes and then we keep the ball rolling. Good afternoon once again. All right, it's a beautiful afternoon once again. Today I believe the market has made many people smile. Market has made many people smile. If you are already smiling, you can just please indicate on the chat box. Let me know you are smiling already because the market moved well. And like I said here 2 days ago, that what people traders are actually were waiting for was the news that came out earlier, some 30 minutes ago. Who is no. Okay, Mr. Jasper, Mr. Emmanuel. No. What I want us to see is to smile well. Don't worry. I believe this session will be a corrective one. By the grace of God, so that we can make money. We have lost money. To the fundamental. Just relax. I believe you will get it back. Yeah, hey. Yours was good. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Yeah, you saw the power holding the. Hey, oh my God. Mr. Musa. Oh my God. All right. So quickly, let's just look at the data that came out. Let me share my screen and we'll look at the data that came out. and then before we go to the chart and take some positions. All right. So okay. My screen here now. All right. Well, actually, it didn't occur to me very early. I would have suggested that we had this session earlier, actually. That would have been a very beautiful one. That would have been a very beautiful one. Well, since we'll still live more and longer upon the earth, all right, there will be many more opportunities to take trade and to make money. Okay, so if you have lost the money is still in the market, you're going to make it back. So quickly, let me share my screen and then we continue. Okay, so if you check it, like I said the other day, I said traders were waiting for PCE, which is the Federal Reserve more preferred inflation gauge, and actually it did not disappoint. But in terms of volatility, and I did mention to us the other day that news can be designated high impact, but they carry different weights in the market. All right. Okay. Oh, you see the gospel of holding your trade. Thank you, Mr. Musa. Yes, you heeded the gospel. Is a good one. All right, so quickly now, if you look at what happened today, you realize that the data came out flat. The data came out flat. The copies came out flat as expected. Equal. So normally, when you have data coming out, if the actual equates the forecast, normally it still tilts in the direction of the buy. However, unemployment also followed suit. Unemployment claims followed suit, and it showed that the figure of those who claim to be unemployed, are more. They are more than those who do not claim. So the unemployment claim data shot up, and then it actually uh, gave a kind of self-sentiment towards the dollar, and then we saw every other instrument rallying against the dollar. Okay, let's go to the chart and let's look at US. Usually I love to start with indices market. So let me share my chart and then we go to the indices market. Okay. All right. If you look at the way market went up all the way, I would have, usually when we have high impact news, somehow after a while the impact would crest at a point, and then the impact will wane. So it is that time that one should actually look out for opportunity to take some sell trade. Okay. So, but then because we are still approaching the US opening session, it will still be a good opportunity to sell some pending orders. It should be a good opportunity to set some pending orders so that one can take good entries in the market. Now, I should also mention this. I should mention this, that at a point you might just prepare to look out for yourself. Look at it on 1 hour time frame. Please, everybody, look at this thing. Now you can see our price. You can see our price has been eating this wall for. Okay. All right. Now look at it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For about 5 or 6 days, on this verified resistance, price has not been able to break above it. So it's looking at price might want to do the same thing. However, due to the little volatility that comes with the US market session, we may see it break above this region actually on 1 hour time frame. We may see it break above it this time around. Then this untested resistance can be the next point you might want to look out for taking a good sell from this place. So I'm not going to ask you to go or prepare for any sell limit around this region here. So let me go on 5 minutes time frame and give us our entries here this afternoon. Because market is still trading bullish actually. And then I am not even looking at giving you entry anywhere close to this region of okay, anywhere close to 140, 180.40. I'm not doing that. If I take it to 180.55, it's just like 10 pips. No, I want us to have something good to take home. And I also want us to also trade carefully. Yeah. So I have this setup here. So I might prefer that you go in for a buy trade on US 100 this afternoon. US 100 this afternoon. Let's go in for a buy trade. Once price. So if you're on negative on US 100, still hold your trade. You understand? Eat the gospel, but have good capital to hold it. That's just the truth. You understand? All right. So on US 100 this afternoon, we'll be looking at going in for a buy if price trades above 180.68.23. 180.68.23. 180.68.23 will be our entry for buy position. 180.68.23 will be our buy entry. And let's look at us taking our profit at 181.26.47. 181.26.47. Let's look at us taking our profit around that region, the region of 181.26.47. All right. Then for your sell trade on US 100, for your sell trade on US 100. But let's look at us going in for a sell. Let's take a sell around 17962.32. 17962.32. 17962.32 will be a good entry for our sell, and we can still adjust the TP and take it down. We can take it down. All right. And then remember, the other leg of my gospel is you don't always have to wait for TP before you take your profit. All right. So let's look at taking our profit at 17911.01. 17911.01. 17911.01. All right, that is for that. That is for that. Okay, let's go to US 30 this afternoon. You know, indices market rallied. It was a good one, a very good one, and we may still continuing in that dimension. All right, but then for us to look at for a buy entry on US 30 this afternoon, I'm going to ask her to go in. Let me see. Okay. Yes, you're done. All right. Okay. So I'm going to ask us to go in for a buy trade on US 30. If price trades above 39175. 39175. Let's go in for a buy trade at 39175. And let's look at us taking our profit at 39271. 39271. We're going for buy trade at 39175. And let's look at us taking our profit. Let's look at us taking our profit at 39271. All right. So, but for a sell trade, I'd like us to consider going in for a sell right at price level. Come in. Right at price level 39014. 39014. 39014 will be the entry for our sell trade. 39014. 39014 will be the entry for the sell trade, and then we take our profit at 38936. 38936. 38936. I believe we got that. All right. So quickly we move to US 500. We move to US 500. I do not want to do any form of long analysis because I want us to get the entries, and then we'll have time to go back. Okay, for US 500, okay, let's look at us going in for trade on US 500. If price trades above 5110, 5110.5, 5110.5, let's look at us going in for a buy at 5110.5, okay, and then we take our profit around price level. Okay. 5119.1. 5119.1. 5110.5 as your entry, and then 5119.1 as your TP. Now for your sell trade, let's look at the sell setup here. All right. Let's look at the sell setup here at 5087.7. 5087.7. 5087.7. Let's look out for a sell at 5087.7. All right, and let's do a minute, please. Okay, I'm looking at us doing something. Let me adjust the entry for the buy so that you can trigger quickly and give us profit quickly. All right. Okay. I'm adjusting the entry for the buy. All right. I'm adjusting the entry for the buy at 510. I beg your pardon. 5102. 5102.4. 5102.4. 5102.4. Okay, and let's take our profit at 5108. 5108.6. 5108.6. Then for your sell trade, let's look at us going for a sell at 5087.7. 5087.7. And then let's look at us taking our TP at 5082.2. 5082.2. That's for our sell trade. That's for our sell trade on US 500. All right, quickly. Let's see US 2000. Let's see US 2000. US 2000. If you traded it, you would have been smiling. Perhaps you would not have needed to take this afternoon trade. Okay. So for US 2000 this afternoon, let's look at us going in for a buy only if price trades above 20. Okay. 2090.0. 2090.0. Let's look at us taking a buy at 2090.0, and then we'll look at us taking a profit around. Okay. Let's look at taking a profit around 2105.4. 2105.4. 2105.4 will be our place for TP. 21. Sorry, I'm quoting a wrong thing. 2105.4. Beg your pardon. 2105.4. 2105.4. Okay. Then for our sell trade, let's look at us going in for a sell. I wouldn't want something that would trigger and then. All right. Let's just stay clear of anything. Okay. For a sell trade, because it's already giving a sell on 5 minutes though, giving a sell signal. But then this people control is showing you can still go up more. For a sell trade, we go in at 2063. 2063.3. 2063.3. That will be our entry for a sell trade on US 2000. And let's look at us taking the profit around price level 2051.4. 2051.4. Okay. Then quickly we move to DE 30D40. All right. On these instruments today, let's look at us going in for a buy. Let's look at us doing a buy above 17786.1. 17786.1. 17786.1. And let's look at us taking our profit around price level. Okay, 17817.5. 17817.5. 17817.5. Okay, then for a sell trade on this index this afternoon, we go at price level 17725.9. 17725.9. 17725.9 will be our entry for the sell trade. And let's look at us taking our profit at 176.88 17688.7. 17688.7. 17688.7. I believe that is God. Okay, then quickly let's do gold. Let's do gold. Gold did well. But look at it on daily time frame. Now it has got to the overbought region. This is a good signal for a sell. Actually, it's a good signal for a sell on gold. So it has got to the overbought region, and it has already given this inverted hammer here right at this resistance. It's a good signal for a sell. But let me give you a pending order. Let me give you a pending order. On 15 minutes, it has begun to do some sell. All right. But then go in for a buy only at price level 2052.23. 2052.23. 2052.23 is your entry for the buy. And let's take our profit around price level 2056.56. 2056.56. Okay, 2056.56. Then for a sell trade, okay, just go below this support level at price level 2043. 2043.04. 2043.04. And let's look at us taking our profit right around this support level at 2038.99. 2038.99. Okay, I believe you got it. So we can then go to currency pairs this afternoon. All right, you can go to currency pairs this afternoon. Okay, now let's look at US index and see what happened to it. All right. Okay. Now look at it on 1 hour time frame. See how weak US 100 went when the news came out. Okay, and then though it is resting on this 50.0 fib level, trying to do a push up here. But if you look at it, there's still more room for it to sell, actually, at least to sell down to this untested support before it starts doing a buy again. The last time I got there was 2 days ago, and then it picked up all the way to this verified resistance. But let me go on 15 minutes and give us a pending order there before market opens at 3:30. Okay, now you may go in for your sell here. On US index at 103.589. 103.589, going for your sell. And if price breaks it, the possibility is all there for it to still sell down, to the untested support on 15 minutes time frame. So go in for your sell trade at 103.589. 103.589, and let's look at us taking our profit. At 103.302. 103.302. I believe that is good. Hope any of the indices stop has not triggered. Okay. All right. None has triggered. Okay. All right. So I said going for a sell on US index should price trade below 103.589. 103.589, and let's look at us taking our profit. At 103.302. 103.302. That would be a good one. Then for a buy trade, for those who need help on gold, you need to be patient. We can't suspend it for your sake alone. All right, sir. Okay. So for a buy trade, let's look at us going for a buy at 103.826. 103.826. Let's look at us going for a buy at 103.826. Let's go for a buy at 103.826. Let's do a buy there. And then we can look at taking our profit. Let's look at taking our profits around this resistance region at 103.963. 103.963. 103.963. And that would be a good one. Okay. Euro USD. Euro rallied when the news came out. All right. Euro rallied against the dollar when the news came out. Okay, but if you look at it on 1 hour time frame, it still has the moment it went on the oversold region yesterday, it climbed up all the way trying to approach the overbought region, meaning that the possibility is still very much there for price to still trade right to this very untested resistance here. Okay, untested resistance here. Although there are layers of resistance, we can see the Fibo contour down here. We can see this 61.8 fib level. So I'll ask you to go in. Okay, let me go on 15 minutes before I give you this. So for a buy trade on Euro USD, actually for a buy trade, if it buys, right, if it buys, let's look at us going in right at this point. If it buys, if it buys, it's still going to go well, at least go above this verified resistance, because it's still going to get to this point, which will be the overbought region before it starts selling. All right, but then to be careful, let's just go above the verified resistance, going for a pending order at 1.08646. 1.08646, 1.08646, 1.08646, going for your pending order on Euro USD, and look at taking your profit right at this verified resistance at 1.08962, 1.08962, 1.08962. I believe we got it. Okay, but for a sell trade, but once the market opens, I'm going to know if one is to do an instant execution. But for a sell trade, let's still prepare for a pending order for a sell trade on this instrument. Okay, for a sell, just allow your trade to go below 1.08270, 1.08270 to be a good space for a sell. 1.08270, and you can look at taking your profit right here at 1.08007, 1.08007. 1.08007. All right. So let's quickly consider another instrument. Okay, and then the market opens. We see. Okay. USD JPY. USD JPY. All right. If you look at it here, since the news didn't come out good for the dollar, obviously it traded bearish against the Japanese yen this afternoon. But if you look at it, this is a pin bar here showing that the price wants to go back up to start trading towards the buy position. Okay, so if I'm going to wait in 3 minutes time now, because this is a signal for a buy actually from here, right here on 1 hour time frame, because price might want to go back up to test, at least to test this Fibo contour that we are seeing right here. Okay, so let's look at us. Just let me go on 15 minutes time frame again, and let's take some entry here on USD JPY. Okay, so for your buy trade, only going for a buy if price trades above 149, 149.893, 149.893, 149.893. And let's look at us. Let's look at us going in for our TP, around this region of 150.124, 150.124, 150.124 as our TP. Okay, but for a sell trade, just go below this verified support here on 15 minutes time frame at 149.468, 149.468, and let's look at us taking our profit. Let's look at us taking our profit below this verified support at 149.195, 149.195 rather. Okay. Then GU rallied well, and look at it here. Yeah, it's approaching the overbought region on 30 minutes time frame here. It's approaching it. You can see get there. Okay, but look at it. It got to this place yesterday. It was rejected. It has got there about 2-3 times today as well, and it has been rejected. It's getting there now. It's getting rejected. But who knows? The US session may come out with some volatility and push it above this verified resistance. So in a minute's time, we see what will happen here. But then for a pending order on it, as a matter of fact, this is giving me a sell vibe right here. Actually, it's giving me a sell vibe actually. But then let's look at us going for a buy if price trades above 1.26759, 1.26759, 1.26759 will be a good entry for your buy. And then let's take our profit. Yes, around this resistance level 1.26891, 1.26891. Okay, Then for a sell trade, I would just want to go below here as, okay, let's see what's happening. The market has started reacting. Let's see, before we start taking instant, let's see US 100. US 100 is approach, is trying to go towards the buy entry. All right. Let's see the trades we're given before. It's trying to go towards the buy entry. US 30. Okay. The move has begun as well. And US 500 is already approaching the buy entry, while US 2000 has also initiated the move. Then DE has started the little moves as well. Why gold? Why gold has begun to also give us some reactions. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. US 100 is almost getting to the entry. Okay, it's almost getting to the entry to trigger it. Okay, so getting to the entry to trigger it. So let's look at us taking advantage of it. Once it breaks above it, let's take advantage. Okay, and it's going to be a very, very good one. Okay, it's going to be a very good one. Okay, let's go to our market. Has not reacted as I expected. US index has not even reacted. US JPY, perhaps market has factored into the old move that we saw the other time. GU has not started the move. GU has not started the move. Okay, but then whatever the case is, let's look at us taking some advantage here. Right on 15 years time frame here, I said we could go in for a sell trade. I don't know if I got it right. Okay. Someone is asking for gold entry. Okay, I said go in for a buy on gold. Go for a buy on gold. If price trades above 2052.23, 2052.23, and let's take profit at 2056.56, 2056.56. Then for a sell trade, go at 2043.04, and then let's take our profit at 2038.99. 2038.99. That's for gold. But market is not really moving as expected. Okay, but we've seen the move. And I agree with somebody that said that we should have had this session around 2 o'clock so that we could have taken advantage of the PCE that came out, since that one drove a whole level of volatility in the market. Okay, but let's look at what these guys will be doing. We'll consider it for some minutes more, and then let's see how we can still take advantage of it. So I believe no position has triggered for now. Okay. Okay. US 30, 500 has triggered the buy. 500 has triggered the buy, and it's trying to push up. US 2000 has not triggered. 30 has not triggered. Gold has not triggered, and US index has not triggered. In fact, the move is not even conspicuous here. Why Euro USD has not even done. So let me go on 1 hour time frame and see a kind of a longer position for us to. By longer position, I'm not saying you should go long. Okay, so let me go on 1 hour. Let's see how we can take advantage. Okay, so this will be a good one. So for those of us who want to trade it technically now, okay, I'm going to ask if you look at it, the high of today is here. The high of today is at 1.08524. 1.08524. That forms the peak for price today on Euro USD. Meaning that if price gets here, we'll see price getting rejected around this region. But then to be safe, prepare for a sell limit. Around price level. Let me call it out for us. A sell limit around price level 1.08584. 1.08584. Price has started, is being rejected here now. 1.08584. Set a sell limit there and follow it well. A sell limit there and follow it well. Set a sell limit and follow it well on 1 hour time frame. Okay, but US index, let me go back on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, this is a good signal for a buy on US index. A very good signal for a buy on US index. As a matter of fact, the buy entry I gave you for a pending order is still very much valid. If you are afraid of going in for an instant buy, perhaps because of the 38.2 Fibo level you are seeing here, just allow it to hit your buy entry and follow it up. Allow it to hit your buy entry and follow it up. This is a good signal for a buy entry, for a buy trade on US index. Yeah, right. It's a good signal for a buy trade. But the entry I gave you as a pending order is still very valid. So it may not give you instant profit, but all this is going to go. But if you are not risk averse, if you go in for an instant buy, you are not out of order. You are not out of order. You are very much in order. Okay. So this is US index is a buy. It's a buy this afternoon. Okay, USD JPY. Let me go on 1 hour time frame as well. And this one is also a buy trade this afternoon. This is also a buy trade this afternoon. If an instant buy will do. And let me also say again, for the sake of those that will come here to say, I'm not making money. I'm not making money. Let me say to us that just go in for your buy and hold your trade. Price will trade at least to this quote resistance. Price will trade to this quote resistance and would have given you some value around this region. I believe we got that as well. So it's a buy trade on USD JPY this afternoon. Okay, on GBP USD, I'll go on 1 hour time frame because it has done in fact, this is a good signal for a sell trade. A good signal for a sell trade here on GU. Go for an instant sell actually. Go for an instant sell on GU, hold your trade, and you make some money. So it has been doing this the whole day. Touch the resistance region, came down, tested the support, went up. It has tested the buy again, the resistance region, and it's coming down. So it's still going to sell down at least to this region. This is 1.8 Fibo level. It's going to sell to this point. So an instant sell will do on on GBP USD. Okay. So I think those are the ones we've done today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. So let's see how these guys are doing here. Okay, I guess US 100 has triggered. US 100 has triggered for the buy, and it will still push up. It will still push up. That US 100 will still push up. All right. That buy will push up. It will still go up. It will still go up. So hold your buy trade. Hold your buy trade, and it will land in profit at the end of the day. Okay. Hey, Madam Agnes, oh, you are not new. You are not new on this live trade. Okay, you are not new on this live trade. Of course, when it triggers, it must start with negative. Of course, well, it must start with negative. When it triggers, it starts with negative. Of course, I'm confirming it. Of course. All right. So US 30 is going to push up, and then US 500 will still buy. US 500 will still buy. It has triggered, and it will still go on and take you in profit. So do hold your trade right there. Okay, US 2000 has not triggered at all. I guess market has said to this afternoon, I am retiring. Since people have made money from me today, I'm just joking, all right? Okay, so D30 has not triggered any position, and gold as well has followed suit. It hasn't triggered any position. Let me see gold on 1 hour time frame. It will be a good time for you to go in for a sell on gold. Actually, it's a sell trade on gold. It's going to be a sell trade on gold. This is a setup for a sell trade on gold. You may want to enter some instant sell and just going for an instant sell. Look at taking your profit. Around price region 2040.82. An instant sell and take a profit at 2040.82. That means this afternoon, what we are looking for will not be the immediate profit that you are seeing, but going for an instant sell on gold, and you'll be happy you did. It has crossed the overbought region, I meant to say, and what you should expect is that price will start coming down from here. All right. So I should even consider this US 100 on 1 hour time frame as well, and we have a bigger view of it. Okay. Now this is also on 1 hour time frame. Actually, this is a setup. This is a setup for a sell on 1 hour time frame. But relax, before it does the sell, your trade will go back. This US 100, it has a different move from currency market. Okay. That is for that. If your buy has triggered, hold your trade. It's going to be in profit at the end of the day. All right. That is for US 100. Okay. For US 30, let me consider it on 1 hour time frame as well. All of them are giving signal for a sell. Actually, they are giving signal for a sell. US 30 this is a signal for a sell on 1 hour time frame. Okay, and if you see if it's going to sell down, at least break this 38.2 level and get to this region before being rejected. So if you want to go for an instant sell, go for instant sell on US 30. Take the profit. Don't wait for TP before you take your profit, because price will still rally up again on indices. Price will still rally up again on indices market. Okay, so a sell trade is in order for you. If you have entered it, make your money. It goes in profit so quickly, and you are happy that you did. Okay. Then US 500 trigger the buy, but it has begun to sell. Like I said, it should still go back. It should still go back. If you want to consider, actually, this is a pin bar here, and you will expect it that it should give price a kind of push up here. However, on 1 hour time frame, I understand that it may also give us a sell signal here on 1 hour time frame, which is of course right, because price has hit the support level. I mean the resistance level here, but price will keep pushing up as well. If you want to go for an instant sell, don't stay too long on it, because once it does some sell, it will eventually go back in the buy direction. So don't sleep on it. If you enter for an instant sell, make some profit and get out of the market, because price will still go back up in the buy direction across all US indices instruments. Okay. USD 30, D40. Okay. All right. This is also a signal for a sell trade right on 1 hour time frame. If you are going for a sell, but don't stay too long on it, because price will still push up on indices market this afternoon. Okay. I think today. Meanwhile, let me ask, who has gone in for any instance and you've made money? Gold is also doing an instant sell. I mentioned to us that we could do gold on instant sell. How many of us have gone in on instant sell on gold? Let me see our reactions here. How many of us have gone in on instant sell on gold? How many of us have gone in on instant sell on what's it called? US 100. But US, like I said, if you go in for any sell, don't stay too long, because this market will still push up again. Okay, you have gone in no profit yet. So once you see profit, just take it. That's why I use good volume and exit the market instantly, because price will still go back up in the buy direction on indices market. Okay, then I said to us on US index, I said this is a setup for a buy trade on US index. I said this is a setup for a buy trade, and I also said to us that the buy entry I gave you for the pending order is very much still valid, still very much valid at 103.826. If you are risk averse, allow price to break above it and pick you up there. It will take you up in the buy direction, and you will sail very well in profit. And then Euro USD, I said this is the signal for a sell trade on Euro USD, the signal for a sell trade on Euro USD. And I said to us that you might want to prepare for a kind of sell limit, on Euro USD. Once price breaks above the high of today, around this region of 1.08578, I said going for a sell on it. Okay, and then I also went on USDJPY. I said this is a buy trade on USDJPY, that you're going for a buy, but hold your trade and don't come to say I'm on negative. I already told you that it will go in profit if you are able to hold your trade. That's how the market has been so far this afternoon. The US market session didn't open with any high volatility, but then if you can hold your trade, you will make money in the market. So by the time we see tomorrow, you still tell me the testimony of you eating the gospel of holding your trade. All right. Thank you, everybody, this afternoon. Let me say, I wish we came together at 2 o'clock to run the session. Well, I believe it will have been a very good one. Okay, thank you, everybody. It's a wonderful time again spent with us. Those trades you've entered, please hold your trade. Those trades you've entered, please hold your trade, and it will be a very sweet one. Tomorrow, I'd love to hear your testimony. Let's share it together, and let's be happy together. And we have a very wonderful weekend tomorrow. Thank you, everybody. Have a very wonderful afternoon.